Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you through how to download any mobile apps on your PC or laptop. First, open up any browser that you have on your PC or laptop. I'm going with Chrome, and then click on search bar, and after that just type here BlueStacks and then click on enter. And here, as you can see, www.bluestacks.com. Click on first link and then just click on download BlueStacks 10. But if you don't have graphics card, if you don't have good graphics card on your PC or laptop, then don't download this BlueStacks 10. Otherwise, you will face so lag on your PC. It will lag so much. But if you have powerful PC, then just click on download and then install it. But if you don't have powerful PC, then just click on search bar and then search BS Tweaker. And then click on first link, and after that just scroll down little bit until you see this button, open button, then click on open and then scroll down and then click on next and again click on next. And then here, as you can see, these are the BlueStacks old version. You can download any of them. These are like for low end PC. You won't face any lagging issue. So if you have a 32-bit PC, then just click on it, or if you have 64-bit, then just click on it. So I'll suggest you to download this version. Actually, let me find. I will suggest you to download this version actually. So as you can see, it's 49001046. If you have 32-bit, then just click on it, or if you have 64-bit, then just click on it. Just click on it and it will start downloading. So as you can see, it's downloading now. After downloaded, just click on show in folder and it will take you in downloaded destination, and then just right click on it and click on open. And after that click on yes. And here, as you can see, customize installation. What does that mean? If you click on it, you can change the downloaded installation path. So if you just click on folder, you can select your installation path easily. So I will let it be like this, and then after selection just click on install now, and it will take some times. After installation just click on launch. Don't click on download update, just close it if you get this notification. And here, as you can see, we get notification Google Play Store. Just click on sign in and again click on sign in, and here just you have to type email and your email password. Just type it here, and after type your Gmail, just click on next, and now enter your password here. After typing your password, just click on next and click on I agree and click on I accept. You can let it be like this or turn off these options and then click on accept and click on accept again. And here, as you can see, all phone apps I can install now from here. It's basically Google Play Store that you have on your phone. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Have a great day.